I've been observing one peacock and 2 or 3 peahens here for quite some time. This peacock is busy in wooing the peahens, but they are not relenting. This is my Celestron telescope, and attached to it is my Canon SLR camera. And this is our urban forest. I have been exploring this area with my telescope setup. During one of my observations, there on that wall, I spotted a peahen. But when I was watching the raw footage on my computer, I was surprised to discover 2 little chicks on the same wall. With the naked eye, I couldn't see them at all. I have been observing these peacocks for quite some time, but I never imagined that there were chicks living in this wilderness. These chicks are quietly following their mother wherever she goes. They may be learning hunting lessons from their mother.
That is why this peahen is not attracted by the dancing peacock. It can't lay eggs again until these chicks are independent and are able to gather their food themselves.
See, when given an opportunity, nature never loses its ability to bounce back and regenerate.
We have to give that chance to our nature.